Hey, how you doing here, Map Investments? I want to give you a recap of the trades I did today. Today wasn't a busy day. I think I did like 35 trades, but I'm happy. Another positive day. Yesterday was a monster day. Yesterday was Tuesday. We closed Monday for Martin Luther King. Yesterday was a monster day, and my goal for the rest of the week is to preserve my gains. And today I have more gains. I'm trying to get delta neutral, but it's kind of tough. I'm long a lot of stuff, so that's just nature of the beast. It is what it is. So let me walk you through some of the trades I did. All right, let me see. Do they have this by? All right, so I'll just go one by one. All right, so let's start from here. So I went long stock by the ticker symbol YI. They're a Chinese. Let me go to Market Spin so you can see them. Chinese pharmacy. So I like the bar in there, and I took a shot, and we'll see what happens. This is the monthly chart. Let's see if I can put up the daily chart. Here's the daily chart. So I kind of like that action. Actually, it was up 42 cents after hours, so that's pretty good. So I kind of like that action. So picked up 100 shares of this one. Why not? See where it goes from there. Here, let me read. China-based retail pharmaceutical company offering drugs through online and 12 offline retail pharmacies, and they've been around since 18. They got a 624 market cap, 32 million shares outstanding, but it's a China name, you know. Precaution, just take precaution. Did that one. I did a calendar spread in Under Armour. This one's kind of been left behind with the whole market move, but it's picked up. I mean, this was a $10 stock and it's picking up steam. I want to say they're like 18 now. Yeah, 18. So I did the 20 call calendar. I sold the February and about the March for 37 cents, and I did about 3 contracts there. T-Doc. T-Doc had a nice move today. Teladoc, the online management company for doctors and stuff, where they interview and stuff like that, do doctor visits online. It's an expensive stock. It's about $250 stock. So what I did here was a broken wing butterfly to the put side. I think it kind of like had a big bar and some buying, and I collected a 57-cent credit on that one. And if you have a question on any of the trades I mentioned, you can always comment below. I'll be happy to elaborate on it. This one here, another calendar spread in STCN 5. It's a cheapy stock, but it was going higher. Smile Direct. I love these calendar spreads. I mean, to me, they're no brainers, and I like them to do directional plays. This is Smile Direct. They do the stuff for the teeth. SBE Switchback Energy was closed for 50% profit on my. I closed that one out automatically. I set it and forget it, and it closed it. This one I bought 100 shares of Real Walk, tiny micro cap, but I saw some buying in there. One of those tiny low floats that any day you can wake up and it's up $3 or $4. You gotta love those. So that's what I'm hoping on that one. RFP, it's a paper company, Resolute Forest Products, and I bought a call out in time. I bought 177 days to go, 12.50. Bought a couple of them at 50 cents out in time. I think this stock can head higher with wood and lumber and all that stuff up in price. Lumber was one of the hottest commodities, if you didn't know, last year. Rail, this is another call that I did out in time. Obviously, they had to do with railroads and stuff like that. I bought a call out in time. There was some buying in there. QTT, I did a calendar spread. I did five of them at the 5 call. ORGO, I did a call debit spread. So I bought the 750 and I sold the 15 for $2.20. It's a $7.50 spread. This one seemed to have some action, so I got into that one. OCX, a pharmaceutical, I bought a call out in time. Lennar, I think Biden was gonna do a tax credit or something, if I'm not mistaken. I have to read further into it for first-time home buyers. So I went into Lennar. Lennar was up big today, so I think it continues and makes new highs. So I did a calendar at the 90. IQ is a China name. I think it's I don't know if it's video games or videos, something online. But I did a calendar at the 25. This had a lot of calls in it today. INF, I bought INFI. I bought a call, a 3 call. This was showing some volume. It's a biotech. GLG is a China name. I bought 100 shares. EVK. This one's another one like Real Walk, one of those really tiny flow ones. So I took a shot there. This one I went light. It was this is a SPAC. I only went light. I went 25 shares. It's a higher price stock. I wanted to do 100, but not sure about it, so I went light. Went with 25 shares. CRM. In CRM, I did a broken wing butterfly for $25. CRM looks like it wants to go higher. CMRX, I did a calendar to the call side, 1250. AYTU, I bought 100 shares of this one. Actually, I bought it at $7.89. After hours is about $8.20. Closed about $8.30. So good buy point. APPS. Now, I don't know if I know some of your subscribers don't watch my videos religiously. So this stock right here, when I go back and I show you those scans of the 10 of the stocks that are best under $10, etc. This stock, and that's why sometimes I shake my head. I'm like, why did I even sell this? Why don't I hold these stocks? This stock was at $5. Look at this, $64, up $6 today. So I did what did I do here? I did a put credit spread for $2. Sold the 60, bought the 55. I hate to do that on an up day. Kind of want to do it like on a down day and be a contrarian, but it kind of had a big bar and it looks like it just wants to go higher. APM, about 100 shares of APM. I think this one moved down on me. Yeah, a big bar moved down on me a little bit, but I'm still in it. APM, AKTX, about 100 shares of this one at 368. This one crapped on me too, went down a little bit, but it was showing some life. So and if I buy them, they're right at pivotal buy points and areas that they might make a next move. AIM, bought AIM as well, was showing some life. ADMP. I bought actually I sold a put in ADMP. That thing was bucking a trend. Um, Today, a lot of volume in ADMP. Alcoa, I closed out this 23. They had earnings today, and I closed out this put for a nice gain, and I closed it out, no risk. I think they were down after hours. Let me see. Yeah, they were down 22. Look at those red bars. Yeah, so I got out of that. I'm not in that position, so no exposure there. And then I sold Dow Jones and an S&P future to lower some of my deltas. So that was my day today. Actually, I wanted to show you. How can I do this? Knock this out. So last night I did a nice trade in the Nasdaq. I think I'm up like $500. I'm still holding it. Kind of knew the Nasdaq, cause I knew Facebook, Apple, Google, Amazon, they're gonna get ready for the earnings run up. So last night I was like, hey, the Nasdaq's been pretty quiet, and I bought the Nasdaq, and today it was up 300 points. So this contract's netting me, I want to say over $500. It's what I want to say. I was trying to get into it, but I don't know why it's not letting me. Let me see here. Maybe my Wi-Fi is not in the best spirits. Last 30 days. And we're going to go to order status, unselect all, filled, done. All right, let's see what we got here. So, come on. Come on, slowpoke. Actually, you know what? Let me do something. Filter, and we'll do last 7 days. I don't really do. That'll probably help it with the thinking. Oh, come on. Nah. Okay, here we go. So I bought this one last night for 13. There you go. 13,032. And right now it's at 13,530. So I got a nice profit in there right now. I want to say it was like $500 minimum. I will go to my positions, but then it's just whatever. Okay, so yeah, today was another nice day. Oh, here's the flag. I don't know if I can show you. Anyways, whatever. So I'm still holding this one. I'm short a couple of the small caps. Here are the futures. Bitcoin's up 385. Oil's flat at $53. S&P's up 6. Gold is up $1. Gold had a nice day today. I'm long a gold. The small caps are pretty flat. I'm short a couple small caps, kind of more of like a hedge, and I'm short the S&P. These are more like hedges towards my overall deltas in my portfolio, but I'm still overall long. Nasdaq, I'm holding long. I think we're gonna run more with all the earnings. Oh, the grains opened up. I'm long soybeans. Oh yes, there we go. Soybeans are up $4.50. That's what I like to see. Corn's up, and the bonds are, the 30 years up one tick, 10-year is flat. And it looks like the grains are higher. What else did I miss? Silver's up a little bit. Gold had a beautiful day. I'm up nice on gold. So what I need is a little bit of a divergence between the Nasdaq and the small caps. The small caps have run a lot. Usually they diverge. So if the Nasdaq's going up, you'll get, in my opinion, you'll get a rotation from small caps into the Nasdaq. Dow Jones might hold his own, and a lot of the S&P 500 has a lot of the Nasdaq stocks. So the S&P might fight in there, hang in there. So palladium, platinum down, natural gas is flat. So interesting times. Interesting times. Biden got inaugurated today. J-Lo sang. Lady Gaga sang. Nice show. He signed. He rejoins the Paris Climate Agreement. So green energy obviously has been the theme. So that's to be on the lookout. Oil prices will probably go higher as well. Will probably become will probably produce less as we go towards cleaner energy. What else? I think he was doing something with housing. But anyways, you can read the news on CNBC. I'm sure a lot of stuff will come out. You got Asia up right now. Nikkei's up almost 1%. So looks like the momentum will continue. I think we're gonna have a lot of money printing and debt coming our way, and to fight this pandemic, and they're talking about a 1.9 trillion stimulus package as well for infrastructure. So all those things should give a boost to stocks and the economy. Bonds are flat. Oil was a little flat. Gold had a nice day. Silver, copper near highs. Futures up a little bit. So that's pretty much the market wrap. I did the cryptos. I did my trading. Some of the stocks that were in play today. Today was a light day. Wish I could have been busier. It's been a great week. I'm trying to hold on to the gains for the week and finish the week strong. Probably close out some of a lot of the options that I have are running into 30 days. I usually manage them at 21 days. So I probably need to start closing some stuff. I'll have some 50% winners there that I need to sit down and close out and raise some cash and then start deploying in the next cycle, which would be March. Well, anyways, please like the video, share, subscribe. Well, actually, it would be February. It would be February, I think. Right? Did I misspeak here? Let me see here. No, I was right. This is 30 days in February, March 58 days. So you want to be in the 45-day cycle, sweet spot. So anyways, just wanted to correct myself there, which seems like I was right, February, March. Well, anyways, January's almost over, and it's been a good month so far, trying to keep it that way. Hopefully we don't get any big rug pulls or anything of that nature. Like the channel, subscribe, comment below, share with your friends and family, hit that notification button, and I'll see you in the next video.